Salutations, second graders, and welcome to Math Lesson 12, or I'm sorry, Math Lesson 11, page 353, 354. If you want to get that out in front of you. Today we're going to make change. Boys and girls, making change is when we pay, let's say I bought something for $1.53 and I paid with $2, I would get 47 cents change. That means they'd give me back the difference between the cost of the item and the money that I paid for it with. That way we're even, right? We've talked about this before in class, but we normally have our little change to work with. So today, stay with me. Let's just review real quick about not how, but when and why you would receive change. You would receive change when we go to a store and we give more money than the price of the item. The money we get back because we overpaid is called our change, right? Excuse me. When we're getting change back, we don't care if we get the most coins or the least coins. We just care that we get the correct amount of money back so that we have the goods that we purchased as well as the correct amount of money so that we didn't get overcharged and we didn't overpay. Let's go ahead and take a look at our paper. We'll work through it. I'll go over directions, we'll work through it together, and then that'll be math for today. Boys and girls, you can do more practice with making change on your IXL, but I don't want you to sweat it. Do the best you can. Ready? Okay, let's get our papers in front of us. All right, here's our paper. Why don't you read along with me? Takshi bought a snack for $2.50. He paid with 3 $1 bills. What was his change? So stop and let's look at your page. He paid $3, okay? The item cost $2.50. So we're going to count on to $2.50 until we get to $3. So if you add 1/4 to $2.50, you get $2.75. Adding another quarter, right? Then you're going to get to $3. Do we stop there? Yes, we do. So we only added 2/4 to the price of $2.50. Well, boys and girls, let's count. How much is 2/4? It's going to be 25 plus 25 means that he gets $2, or he gets 50 cents change. I'm sorry, friends. He gets 50 cents change, right? So when we're making change, read with me, when making change, start with the price of the item and then count on to the amount that was paid. Are you ready? We're going to practice this together today. All right. Count on from the price to the amount paid. Write the amount of change. So let's look. The price is 65 cents. We paid with $1. We have to count on. Are you ready? So we're going to go 65 plus a dime. How much is a dime worth, friends? I'm going to make it a little easier, and I'm going to actually write on the coins 10 cents, right? So what's 65 cents plus 10 cents? Giovanni. 75 cents is right. Good. Then we have to add the quarter. How much is a quarter worth? Sierra. 25 cents. Good. So what's 75 cents plus 25 cents, friends? $1. Right? So I can stop there because now I've gotten to the $1 price that was paid, the $1 amount that we paid. The price of the item was 65 cents. So how much change do we get? Add 25 cents plus 10 cents. And you come up with what, Max? That's right, 35 cents. And we're going to show our 35 cents just like this. Whoops. Good job. All right. So far so good. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, if I want to buy something that costs 45 cents and I pay with $1, remember, we have to count on. Ready? So we're going to start with our 45-cent price. Add this coin is what? What coin is that, Valentina? It's a nickel. Good. And a nickel's worth 5 cents, right? Okay, so if I add 5 cents to 45 cents, what do I get? Trinity. 50 cents is correct. Very good. And what coin is this one here, please? Reagan. It's a $50. How much is a $50 worth, class? 50 cents. Good. So what's 50 plus 50? 100 is right, but we're dealing with cents. So it's 100 cents is equal to $1. Very good. Now, I counted up. I found my coins that make up to $1, right? What's 50 plus 5, friends? Very good. So it's going to be 55 cents. What do you think? A little more help? Let's keep going. All right. Now we have bigger numbers. Don't be afraid. It's fine. We know what to do. Let's pay attention. I want to buy something that costs $1.35 and I have $2. So I'm going to start at the price of $1.35 and I'm going to count up to my $2 price or my $2 amount. So I have my change, right? The price is $1.35. I'm paying with $2. How much change am I going to get? Starting with the coins, what is this first coin? It's a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. Good job. Max, what's this next coin? It's a dime. It's worth 10 cents. Very good. And then Sonia, what's this next coin? It's a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Very good. Okay, and then I have one more quarter. How much is it worth? 25 cents. Now, let's add, counting on from the $1.35 we started with. $1.35 plus 5 is going to give me $1.40. Then I'm going to add 10 cents, right? What's $1.40 plus 10 cents? $1.50, right? Then we have to add 25 cents, friends. What's $1.50? $1.50 plus 25, and then we'll put our answer down here. Okay, it is $1.75. Good job. Don't forget to show me that dollar sign, second graders. And then one more, right? We have to take 75 cents plus 25 cents. What's our answer? $2 is correct. Now, we got to the $2 amount that we paid, so we know we're done counting, but we have to count up the change, right? How much is the change that we get back if we buy something for $1.35 and we pay with $2? Let's count it up. Are you ready? We have 5 plus 10 is 15. Good. 15 plus 25. Uh-oh, friends. Are the numbers getting big? Then just write it down. Make yourself a note. 15 plus 25 is, Mrs. Mueller likes columns, so we have a 0. Regroup. 40, right? So we have 40 cents. And that gives us this one, and 1 quarter. And then we have to add 25 cents to the 40 cents. So the answer we get there is 65 cents. And that would be our change. All right, second graders, what do you think? I want you to try number 4 on your own. I'll come back to it and show you how to do it before we're done. Let's turn your paper over, and here we go. We are going to subtract to find the amount of change. List the bills and coins you could receive as change. Are you ready? They want us to subtract. So now get out your whiteboards and your whiteboard marker, and let's write out our equations, and then we'll work them. Ready? Here we go. If I'm buying something for 45 cents and I pay with $1, and I'm going to write it as an equation to work it out, I'm going to go like this. I have $1. Now remember, when we're dealing with money, we always want to line up our decimal points, right? So $1, take away 45 cents. And then you need to practice your math skills, second graders. Remember, when we're doing math, we want to make sure to draw our columns. We want to make sure we look at each part of the equation. Can I take 5 away from nothing? No, I can't. So Lola, what do? I have 0, take away 5. I need to borrow or regroup. So I'm going to go next door. There's nothing there to borrow. It's another 0. So we're going to go all the way over to the 1, cross out the 1. It'll become a 0. Regroup that 100 to 10 tens. But I need to go all the way to the 1's column. So cross out the 10. It'll become a 9 and give 10 next door. And now I have 10. Take away 5 is, good second graders. 9 take away 4 is 5. Don't forget to bring down the decimal point and the $sign. Did we forget anything? Did I do what they wanted? How much is the change? Emma. 55 cents. Okay. Now, how can I make 55 cents? Boys and girls, there's a lot of ways to work with money. Remember, in class, we would count out our coins. So I'm going to start with the biggest denomination coin because that's how Mrs. Mueller likes to do it. So what should I use? What's the largest coin we use in class? Not the dollar coins, but the $50, right? Okay, so I want the $50, which will give me 50 cents. And what else? I need 5 more cents. Which coin should I use to get 5 more cents? A nickel. Good job. Okay, so far so good? Let's do one more of these. All right, I have 70 cents is what I want to buy, and I have $1. Some of you can do this mental math, right? If you can't, set it up just like we did here and work it out. If you can do it mentally, let's do it mentally. What do I need to make 70 cents into $1? 30 cents is right. So 30 cents is the change. Now, how can I make 30 cents? Sean. Good. We'll have a quarter and a nickel. Good job. Okay, I want you to practice number 7 on your own, and if you need help, you wait. At the very end, I'll come back and work on it with you. Let's move on to number 8. Number 8, we're going to write the change. Boys and girls, if I'm paying for something that is 55 cents and I use $1, what will my change be? Using the fewest bills or coins possible. So 55 cents from $1. We need to come up with the change that's the least amount. So let's count up, right? 55 to 60 is going to be a nickel, and then 60 to 100 is 40 cents. So how do I make 45 cents, friends? What's the easiest way to make 45 cents with the least amount of coins? Tino. Use a quarter and 2 dimes. All right, friends, good job. Now, we must be somewhere where things are pretty cheap. I want to buy something for 29 cents. I'm going to use 50 cents to pay for it. What will my change be? What's the fewest amount of coins that I can use to get it. Well, let's count up. To go from 29 to a number that's rounded, we want 1 penny, right? Gotta have a penny to get to 30 cents. So I'm gonna write 1 penny. Now I'm at 30 cents. Now remember, we wanna use the fewest amount of coins possible. So I need what? I'm at 30 cents, I need 20 more cents to get to 50 cents. So 2 dimes is what we need. Do you see how we're doing it, second graders? Okay. I'm gonna leave the last two, we'll come back to them. Let's go ahead and move down here. Friends, if you're having trouble counting the coins because you don't have coins, ask mom or dad or auntie or uncle or whoever's home with you if you can have some coins to use for math. It will help you this week, okay? Let's move forward. We're going to complete the chart, draw coins, and then count on to the amount paid. Write the change. So are you ready? Starting with 16 cents is what I'm buying. I have 25 cents. How much change will I get back? Let's figure it out. Friends, we're going to count on. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I need 4 pennies, right? So I'm going to write penny, 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 penny. 4 pennies, yes? But that's not, I'm not done. I have 4 pennies. That gets me to 20 cents, and I need 5 more cents. What coin can I use to get me 5 more cents? Very good, a nickel. Okay, and then I would count on. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm gonna go 0.17, 0.18, 0.19, 0.20, right? And then we have to add the nickel, and that's going to give us 0.25. Are you with me, friends? So far, so good? Put your dollar sign. How much change did I get? Let's count it. Ready? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a nickel is 5. So what's 4 plus 5? 9 is correct. So we get 9 cents change. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard if you don't have change. Stay with me. Let's do one more together, and then I'm going to let you finish up on your own, or you can stay tuned and we'll finish it together. Okay, if I have $1.60, I want to buy something that's $1.60. I have $2 to pay with it. How am I going to do it, second graders? Well, let's figure it out. We're going to count up from $1.60. We're going to go a dime. Will give me $1.70. Ooh, and a nickel will make it $1.75. And then I know all I need is a quarter to get to my next dollar, right? That'll get me to $2. Let's count up. Ready? I started with $1.60. And we added a dime. So we want $1.60 plus the dime is $1.70 plus the nickel is $1.75. And adding the quarter is going to give me $2. Okay, second graders, how much change did we get? Count it up. We have 25, 30, 40 cents. So we're going to show it just like this. Okay? I know it looks like a lot of steps. You're fine. You know how to do this. Take your moment, finish it up, push stop if you want to. If you need me to help you finish, stay tuned. Let's finish it up. Going back to number 4. All we're doing is counting up, starting with what they told us. If I'm buying something for $1.59 and I have $2, we have to count up. Are you ready? We're going to start with $1.59. Add a penny. It's worth 1, right? So it's going to be $1.60. What is this next coin? It's a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. Good. So we have $1.65. And then what's this next coin? It's a dime. It's worth 10 cents. So then we're going to have $1.75. Okay, friends, adding the last coin, it's a quarter. $1.75 plus, oops, I'm sorry, a quarter's worth how much? 25 cents, Mrs. Mueller. Very good catch, second graders. Okay, $1.75 plus 25 will give us $2. Adding up the change, are you ready? We have 25, 35, 41 cents. $0.41. Second graders, you're doing fine. Let's keep going. Looking here at number 7. I want to buy something for $1.44, or I'm sorry, $1.77. I'm paying with $2. I'm going to set it up just like I did with number 5. I have $2. I'm subtracting $1.77. Remember, I want you to use your whiteboard for this so that it's easier to see. Now, can I take 7 away from nothing? No, I can't. Can I borrow from nothing? No, I can't. Can I borrow from a 2? Yes. 2 becomes a 1. Regroup that 10. I don't need it here though, so that becomes a 9 and I can give 10 next door. So now I have 10 take away 7 is 3. 9 take away 7 is 2. 1 take away 1 is 0. Bring down the decimal point. Don't forget the dollar sign. So I get 23 cents, friends, is the change. How can I make 23 cents? Can you help me out? All right, so we need 3 pennies because those are worth 1. And then how do I get to 20 cents? Very good, dimes, 2 dimes. Okay. All righty, writing the change using the fewest bills or coins possible. I have something for $1.10, I pay with $2. What is my change? Counting with the fewest coins possible, let's start with the $half. We know that a $half is worth 50 cents, right? Okay, so if I add 50 cents to $1.10, I get $1.60. And then I need to, what? All right, use a quarter. Okay, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. Remember, I started with $1.10. I got to $1.60, $1.85. Now what? All right, I'll try a dime. A dime is worth 10. It's $1.95, and a nickel is 5 cents. Right? Did we do it? Well, let's count. $1.10, $1.15. Hold on. $1.15, $1.25, $1.50, $2. We did it, second graders. Good work. Okay, stay with me. Let's see what we can do. With this one over here, $1.87 is what I'm buying. I have $2. How much change do I get? Well, let's count up. $1.87, 88, 89, 90. That's $1.90. How much change do I need back? I paid with $2. I need a little more money, right? I need 10 more cents. Good job. So let's count. 187, $1.88, $1.89, $1.90, $2. Did we do it? Good job, second grade. Okay, let's finish up looking at the last one. we have to draw the coins and count them from the amount paid. So we started with $1.84. Let's get us to $1.85. How do I do that? Add a penny, right? So I want 1 penny. Then what? Okay, I like it. Let's have a dime. That'll take us to $1.95. And then what? How do I get to $2? Yes, if we add a nickel, it gets us to $2. Now, how much change did we get? Let's count those coins. We have 1 and 10 is 11, plus 5 is, very good, second graders, it's 15 cents. Friends, this has a lot of mental math. Do the best you can. Practice on IXL. I promise it's going to help us. Okay. Second graders, that's the end of math for this lesson. Have a great day. Practice your IXL. See you soon.